Hello, the topic today is add a contact to Autodeals. And so if we go into our contacts area, this is our CRM. This is where our prospects, customers, and potential customers, and even suppliers can be located so that we can communicate with them. So a particular contact, we may be able to task manage, text an email, or even start a new deal or service order. So to add a contact, we literally just go to contacts and click the little green plus to add the contact. We're able to fill out the lead source, where it came from. We can fill out whether it's a business or an individual type record, and then complete this other information and click add. We can also, as a salesperson, assign who should be on it, and generally it will default to us when we add it in. And the same thing with the location. That will default to your location. Once you click add, that contact will become a record in the database, and you'll be able to task manage, put that contact into workflow, create a credit application, or open any type of service that you're using, whether it be a deal or a service order or whatever you're selling. So it's very powerful, very easy. And just remember, go to contacts, click the green plus, and enter the information, and you'll be able to add a contact to Autodeals. Thank you.